Mahalaga ba na may deep work schedule ang mga freelancer? Tara, kwentuhan tayo. Set ko lang itong 15 minutes break sa time cube ko. As freelancer na nasa data analytics niche, may three types of scope kami. Una, periodical database update. Dito, hindi masyadong kailangan ng deep work since you just need to pull the data and make sure that the database is updated. Kaya naman, I just set my time cube to 60 minutes and it is enough para matapos ko yung daily task per client. Pangalawa is weekly report. Dito na pumapasok yung deep work as you need to analyze the data to come up with the report and usually 4 hours ko siya ginagawa. Lastly is data pipeline and dashboard creation. Usually, 2 to 3 weeks yung paggawa ko nito. Depende sa complexity. Kaya you need to plan in advance yung deep work schedule ng ganitong type of scope.